Let's fill out the Mississippi Boat Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're completing a boat bill of sale in this state, here's what you'll need to know. First, when it comes to signing, the signature must be completed by your licensed physician or nurse practitioner. So make sure you have the right person involved before moving forward. Next, your bill of sale will need to be in the form of a completed affidavit of ownership, and that document must be notarized. So plan ahead and have a notary available when you're ready to sign. For the title transfer, you'll need to submit Form 78-006. And if there is a lien on the vessel, a paper title lien release will also be required to clear that lien before the transfer can go through. The seller must sign the back of the title, and that signature is specifically required for the salvage yard, so don't skip that step. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.